Hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, this is a try-on haul. Let me just tell you a little bit about that. On my beauty channel, in the beauty community, we do what is referred to as hauls, and we do try-on hauls where we purchase a lot of makeup and we try it on and we just talk a little bit about our first impression. So I thought, how fun would it be to do a try-on haul for you with the wigs? I purchased these wigs at Wigstudio1, and I have 7 of them that I just received yesterday. I haven't opened them. They're still in there in the boxes. I think it was about a week ago, or a little bit more, that it was either last weekend or the weekend before, there was a 30% additional discount on the pieces that were on clearance. That was a huge savings because those wigs that are on clearance already discounted between 40 and 60%. That's where I purchased the majority of the wigs that I show you, because wigs are expensive. So I keep an eye on that clearance section every day. I probably check it 5 times a day, and as soon as I see something that I think I haven't reviewed or you might like, I just go ahead and order it, and it's a big savings. So when there was an additional 30%, I thought, okay, I just can't pass this up. And as always, if it doesn't work for me, then I'll put them on my website. But I'm really excited about these. These are actually wigs that I always wanted to try, that I've had my eye on for a while. And as soon as I saw them on the website, I think I probably made like 3 different orders on that day because they just kept popping up. And as I said, with an additional 30%, so many of these wigs I was able to purchase at 70% off, and there was no shipping because the amount was over $150. As long as the total is over $150, there's free shipping. So I just couldn't beat it. All right. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to unbox all of these wigs. I'll try them on, of course, one at a time. I'll try it on. I'll give it a shake. I'll show you front, sides, and back. Then later on this week, I will have full reviews on each one. I'm not going to go in any particular order, so let's get started. I'm just going randomly. This is a Belletress, and this one is Caliente and Caramel Almond. I've reviewed this one before and I sold it, and I thought I'm going to give it another try because Caliente Caramel Almond. I think this is also a really good way for you to see how these wigs look right out of the box before I mess too much with them. All right, Caliente by Belletress and Caramel Almond. Next one is Amore. This is Veda and Illumina R. Illumina, I think that's how you pronounce it, Illumina R. Been wanting to try this one for a long time. Illumina R on Veda by Amore. I'll have to trim the bangs on this one. Cute style. This next one should be fun. This is Radiant Beauty. by Gabor in the color Sangria. I've never had Radiant Beauty before. One of my friends that is a PHC, she loves this wig. And when I saw it, I thought, okay, I've got to have it. Plus it was in Sangria. If you love Deepest Ruby from Raquel Welch, this is the kind of like the counterpart of it in Gabor. The main difference in the color is going to be due to the fibers. Well, if you love curls, you will absolutely love this one. I'm going to have some pretty bad wig hair when I finish here. All right, this, I'm talking about my bio hair. I'm sure you know that. All right, this one I do have, but I don't have it in this color. This is Untold Story in Shaded Cappuccino, which I absolutely love. I have Untold Story and some other colors. I can't remember, but I think it's a brunette. You know, you have a lot of wigs when you can't remember the colors. I wanted to see how it was going to look in Shaded Cappuccino. Beautiful, beautiful color, Shaded Cappuccino. Look at that, how beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, these highlights look gorgeous. Beautiful. This next one, I'm so excited to have this one. I love Nerano from Ellen Villa from the Moddix collection. And I have it in middle gray shaded, which I absolutely love. I have worn that wig so much, even though I just got it a few weeks ago. And I found this one, and it's in chestnut mix. And I haven't seen any reviews on it. So I'm so excited. I really, really wanted this brunette. When I find a style that I really like, that I know that I'm going to wear, I try, every time I see it on clearance, I buy it in different colors because I know I'm going to wear it. I know that I'm going to get lots of wear out of this one. This Moddix collection. Ellen Villa really knocked it out of the park with this collection. I think the styles are beautiful, beautiful, just beautiful, and they fit true average. I think it's perfect. Look at that, right out of the box. It's perfection. Oh, this color is lovely, chestnut mix. I'm sure that many of these are going to look shiny on camera. I mean, I'm just taking them out of the box. I'll be adding, when I do the review, I'll show you what I do as far as styling and if I add any dry shampoo or anything like that. Right now, it's just about first impression. Oh yeah, love this color. If you are looking for a nice, warm, blended color with a brunette, oh, this is gorgeous. Nice light highlights on the front, gorgeous. All right, this is also an Ellen Villa from the Moddix collection. I also have this style, but I don't have this color. This is Luna and Chocolate Shaded. This is a warm brunette, if I'm not mistaken, because that has I think it has a 30 in there. another style that I absolutely love from this collection. I think this is my third one. I'm waiting for it to go on clearance in the rose, I think it's called Rosewood. If you're not a member of our private Facebook group, Wigstudio1 Wig and Topper Support Group, Eileen, the crazy wig lady, and I had a live event on the Facebook page with two experts from Ellen Villa, and that video is on the Wigstudio1 YouTube channel. I downloaded it, I edited for YouTube, so if you want to catch some of the Ellen Villa styles or any of the information on caps or sizing or colors of Ellen Villa, it's on there. I'll leave a link to that video listed down below for you in the description box. Oh yes, gorgeous, gorgeous, lighter brunette. It's warm, very subtle highlights. I wanted a lighter brunette now for the summer, and I think this one is going to do it. Such a pretty style. This one is a spray. I feel like I'm seeing them for the first time because I've forgotten which ones I had ordered. This one is a spray in Silver Blonde Rooted. Esprit is from the Hair Society collection. I have it in a brunette. I wore that one, that Esprit. I wore it from Kansas to Florida. It was like a week trip. And oh my gosh, that wig just held up beautifully during the drive because we made some stops. So it took us about a week, and I just said, I'm not going to take any other wigs with me as far as to wear on the trip. I just wore Esprit every single day for, I don't know, 10 hours a day. And all I would do is just run the comb through it and hang it up at some Aesthetica Revitalize and Shine, hang it on the wig stand, and put it right back on in the morning. All right, Silver Blonde Rooted. Beautiful, beautiful color. Nice blend of a warm blonde and a platinum, it looks like. And while the Hair Society collection, there is some variance to it, this one fit my 21.5-inch circumference perfectly. Well, all of these have. I'm going to cinch it in a little bit because I know that Esprit runs a little bit on the larger end of average. This is water, by the way, that I am spraying. So pretty. What a pretty color. And yes, it'll be very light for my skin tone, but you know what? I don't care. I don't care. I love the color. I think a little bit of dry shampoo and it'll be perfect. I'll add some of the Batiste, the dark brown, and that will do it. Oh my gosh, I am really, really liking this one. I think I like it better than the one that I have. Maybe because my other one is already 2 years old and it's been worn to death. So, all right, right out of the box. Let me know if you thought this video was fun, if you found it helpful, if you enjoyed seeing these wigs out of the box, if you enjoyed the haul. I certainly hope you did. It's been so much fun for me to record this video. And as I mentioned, I will have full reviews on all of these wigs. Within the next 2 weeks, you'll see one popping up about every other day. Let me know if you have a favorite, if there's one that you really like to have a closer look on. Let me know which one you'd like me to start off with. I would love to hear from you. Thank you, everyone. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.